Understanding thaw out in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a chilly expression in English, thaw out. Don't worry if it sounds cold. By the end of this video, you'll be warmed up to its meaning and usage. Let's get started. Thaw out is a phrasal verb that consists of two words, thaw and out. When we say something is thawing out, we mean it's gradually becoming warmer and melting, especially after being frozen. For example, imagine a frozen chicken in the refrigerator. If you take it out and leave it on the counter, after some hours it will thaw out, meaning it will become soft and no longer frozen. Now that we've understood the basic definition, let's look at how thaw out is used in sentences. 1. After the winter storm, it took days for the city to thaw out. 2. I need to thaw out the meat before cooking dinner. 3. She felt so cold that she needed a hot shower to thaw out. Notice how the phrase can be used for both literal, like frozen food, and figurative contexts, like feeling cold. Be cautious while using thaw out. Here are some mistakes to avoid. Don't use thaw out when something is getting cold. It's only for the process of warming up. Avoid redundancy. Saying thaw out is enough. You don't need to say thaw out warm or thaw out melt. And there you have it. The phrase thaw out is all about warming up and melting after being frozen. Whether you're talking about food, weather, or just a cold day, thaw out can be a handy expression to use. We hope this video thawed out any confusion you had about the phrase. Keep practicing and stay warm in your English language journey.